Hi, this is Carl from Small Biz Thoughts, and this is another SOP video for managed service providers. Question for you: do you sell cloud services the wrong way? Here's what I mean. Many people sell cloud services essentially one-off, which is to say they go into a client, they sell them on cloud services, they install their email, they migrate all of their data to the cloud, they put them on hosted antivirus and spam filtering and all that happy stuff, and then they walk away and they wait for the client to have problems, and then they go in and fix those problems and charge them by the hour. What do we call that? We call that break fix. Break fix is the business model of the 20th century. It's old news. Do not do that. The killer combination is to sell managed services plus cloud services. The combination is absolutely essential. Don't leave the client hanging out there with nobody to talk to. Make sure that when you install a cloud service client, you put in your remote monitoring and patch management agent. Keep all those desktops up to date. If they have a little NAS device or a server, keep that up to date. Make sure their network is working properly. Manage everything in their system. That gives you recurring revenue every single month. In other words, managed services. So don't sell cloud services by itself. Don't sell cloud services as if it's break fix. It's the bundle that makes everything work together. The bundle of cloud services plus managed services. That's the killer combo. For Small Biz Thoughts, this is Carl Polachek wishing you the best of luck in your managed service business.